Hello, 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 and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I wanted to show you an update on my dried flowers. These are dried. Turned out quite vibrant and beautiful. You know, we have the purple zinnias, there's a pink zinnia. These purple ones, these little purple ones are from a eggplant flower. And then this greenery was from a bouquet. And then a couple carnations. And I think, oh, this is from a sunflower, but hadn't sprouted. What else I got in here? Just some leaves underneath. Okay, so that's that. These are the newest ones to go under. They are going under with the silicone gel so that I can dry them out. And they're all from my garden. Zinnias and nasturtium, is that how you say that? Beautiful orange nasturtiums. So I'm going to finish filling this up, and you fill it carefully because you don't want to flatten them and you don't want the leaves to fall off, the petals to fall off. So I've got to get my funnel so that I can pinpoint where I'm pouring the silica gel until I can top it off. Gonna see how this works. So I'm going to, let's stick it right here. And I can fill up right on the side of these flowers here. Because you want to get underneath as much as you can before you get the silica gel on top. Go along the edges. I don't know if you can't see what I'm doing, but you get the idea. So I'm going between these two so I can get underneath them. Do the same right here. And then I'm going to go in this corner and fill this up. Then that way you retain the shape and you don't flatten them out. Get down in there, there we go. Get right here in this corner. Especially with the nasturtiums, they're really delicate petals. And if you stick your funnel down into the silica gel, then it stops the flow. Then you can pick it up and place the silica gel where you want it. Stop it if you want to, and then pick it up and place the gel where you want it. So I want some here. So I place the tip of the funnel down in the silica gel, and then I'll raise it up to cover this one to fill that corner in. And once you get it filled in underneath the petals, you can work on top. I want to get under this nasturtium, so I'm just going to go around. Go around this one. to get in between these two zinnias so that they retain their shape. So I'm going to stick it right in here, touching the silica gel, pour some in here, and then lift it up. Once you get it underneath these leaves, then you can begin to fill in. Cover them. And voila, just enough. I could actually use more, but it will dry that out. So put the top on and leave this sit for 5 to 7 days. I usually let it go for the 7. And now the unmolding of lilac purple zinnias from my garden in this pyramid mold. Let's raise you up a little bit so you can see. Oh, that builds out so easy. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Hold on, hold on. Get that mold back right and put it in its housing. You ready? Look here. Isn't that pretty? I didn't use a clear. This was leftover resin from a tabletop that I did. And it has the, it's not called iridescent. What is that mica called? Oh my goodness, I can't think of it. I'll post it to run across here. I can't think of it. But it has hues of red, but actually it looks like hues of purple. I don't know if you can see that or not. So it made it cloudy. But it's beautiful. And this is going to look really nice on top of a light. The mica powder is called Interference Violet. So it puts the iridescent glow of a violet color into the epoxy. So look. With the light. Thumbs up, please. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Tell me what you think. I just have to clean the edges off. And I am not going to put a base because I didn't put lights underneath it. This is a light that you can sit your resin molds on. And turn it off and turn it on when you want to. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you have, I truly, truly appreciate you. Peace and love.